Hello and thanks for joining me. I'm in the workshop today with my Scrambler, Triumph Scrambler 1200, and I've just been doing a bit of maintenance on it, so I thought I'd make this quick video because one question which several people have asked me is from changing from the BMW GS 1200, which of course was shaft driven, to the Triumph, which is chain driven. How have I got on with then having to do regular chain maintenance? And I just thought I'd show you the little kit that I set up for myself that I use. It's very straightforward. I carry this in my bag, so I've got this little Ziploc bag here, and in this I carry two items. One is, this is a toothbrush holder, travel toothbrush holder with a toothbrush in it, and this is a little bottle of chainsaw oil. Now originally, when I bought this from, if you're in the UK, you'll recognise it's Wilko. It's bicycle chain lube, Teflon bicycle chain lube, which I originally bought it in. And I bought this because it's a screw top bottle that's refillable. And I just refill it with chainsaw oil. So I squeeze a little bit of this onto the toothbrush and then just rub it around the chain. And I basically do that every morning before I set off on the bike. And it takes 5 minutes, that's all. Just applying a little bit of oil, because obviously it's an O-ring chain, therefore you're just really protecting the outside of it. And so you don't have to put an awful lot on. Very quick and easy, very easy to carry around. So toothbrush holder, little bottle that's, you know, totally sealed with that lid on, doesn't leak at all. But that all just goes in this little Ziploc bag, which takes up no space at all. Goes in my pannier. Just part of my morning routine. You know, before I check the tyres, basically check the bike over for damage, tyre pressure and what have you, and just put a little bit of lube on the chain. And if you're doing it every day, you don't have to do a great deal. Now I know people put these, you know, Scott oilers and things like that, but so far I've not needed it. So far I'm quite happy, just because it's part of my morning routine, is checking the bike over before I set off on it. And so just doing, you know, having a routine of doing a little job like this, you know, it's part of just looking at the bike closely and making sure everything's okay. Anyway, just in case you found that useful, helpful, thought I'd share it. Thanks for watching. Bye.